Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, I recommend it to open EDIFIER Connex application, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app, and you need to check any information about update. I have the last software version, so I have nothing to update, but maybe you will have, and you need to update it, of course. If it didn't help you, I recommend it to place your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. The battery level of your earbuds will update, but you need to wait something like 15 seconds. And then open the charging case and check, is it fixed? If it doesn't fixed, you need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time don't close the case. You need to press 3 times at the connection button, what located at the bottom of your earbuds near, charging case near to the USB-C port. 1, 2, 3, and now this LED light start blinking white, so it start to resetting. And then when it finished, it start to flashing white and red, and it means that it performed a factory reset and just enter to pairing mode. Now we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. To do this, open Settings and go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, and then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device at the top. And if you have iOS, you can either go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on this Bluetooth by click on this slider. And then you will see these headphones at the device list and you need to tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!